Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do this high ponytail using my hair extensions. So if you are interested in seeing how I do this hairstyle, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am going to start off by taking off my bun, of course. And now I'm just, shaking my hair out, making sure that it's not caught up on anything. You know how when you have a bun in place and you take it out, sometimes you still have hair standing up or sticking out. So I am just making sure that my hair is not sticking out or it doesn't have too many knots to where I can just sleek it back easily. So this is one of the two hair extensions I'm going to be putting in. So I'm gonna start off with my big sexy hair mousse, and I'm just gonna shake it well and spray some in my hand. I'm gonna spray a generous amount. The reason why I like to use mousse is because you don't need anything other than just mousse. Like, you don't need to add water in your hair just to make it wet and be able to sleek it really nice. So that's why I'm using just mousse to sleek back my hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair and just making sure it's nice and tight and very sleeked back. And you also want to make sure that you are brushing the back of your head, because I know I am one to forget to brush the back of my head when I'm doing a ponytail. So now I'm just grabbing a regular hair tie and just making sure I can tie up my hair without any knots and just keeping that really slick look that I created with the brush. Honestly, tying up your hair really tight in a really sleek ponytail, it's a workout. So anyways, now I'm just gonna create the smallest bun that I could possibly do with my hair. As you guys can see, I'm just tucking it in. I don't really necessarily need to use bobby pins because my hair is a couple of days old, so it kind of holds itself up when it's dirty, if that makes any sense. So now this is my hair extension. This is a 4-clip hair extension, and I am going to just start wrapping this around my bun. So when I start to apply my hair extensions, the first hair extension that I put on, I like to clip it upside down, if that makes any sense. You guys can see that I'm just clipping it upside down. The hair's not necessarily falling down, it's falling up. And then I just take the rest of the clips and just go around my bun, clipping it, just making sure it's really nice and tight. And the reason why I do this is because I feel like that first hair extension falls better when it's clipped upward. So now I'm just taking the hair extension and I am finger detangling it just to make sure that there's no knots in it, and making sure that I clipped everything on nice and tight. So now I am grabbing my second extension, and this is my 3-clip extension that I'm going to apply over the 4-clip extension that I just put on my hair, on my ponytail. So this extension, I'm just gonna apply it the normal way, going downward. The clip is actually going to be facing downward. And this is just gonna, again, make the ponytail look better, and it's gonna fall nice over the bun, if this is making any sense. Hopefully it is, you guys. And after I got that extension, again, I'm just going to be finger detangling it, making sure everything is nice and sleek and there's no knots in it. And I'm also making sure that my clips are nice and tight. So right now I'm just sectioning off a piece out of the extensions so that I can be able to wrap it around the ponytail and cover up that lining that's at the top of the hair extension. You want to make sure that you wrap this around very tightly so it could look nice and clean. And you also want to make sure that you are getting all the hairs within that wraparound that you're doing, because you don't want to have any hairs sticking out or from the bottom of that little wraparound. Now I'm just taking a regular bobby pin and I'm going to bobby pin that down right there. I'm just going ahead and adding a little bit of more mousse again, just to clean that little section off and making sure that any little flyaways that are sticking out are being taken care of with the mousse. So now I'm going to take my curling iron and I'm going to curl the ends of my hair. My curling iron is from Dry Bar. I do not know how many inches it is, but yeah, it's from the Dry Bar brand. So as you guys can see, it created a really cute curl at the end, and this is what I'm gonna do to the rest of the ponytail. I'm honestly not trying to do perfect curls here. I'm trying to have more of a wavy ponytail look, which is why some of my pieces are bigger than others, some are smaller. So now that I'm done curling my extensions, I'm just gonna play around with it a little bit and just tease it up a little bit, just make it to my liking. Now with my toothbrush, obviously this is not the toothbrush I brush my teeth with, and my big sexy hair mousse, I guess I'm feeling it right now, I'm dancing a little bit, but I'm gonna spray some mousse on that brush and I'm going to sleek back my baby hairs. this is the end result, and this is how my ponytail came out, guys. This is a really cute look for a night out, a date night, a club night. You could just put on a cute little outfit with a nice sleek ponytail and your face beat, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so that just sums up the video on how I get my long ponytail with my extensions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at SmackTalkDanny. And I'll see you guys in the next one.